How to clean dark inner thighs, neck, elbows, and armpits naturally. First, add baking soda to a bowl. Baking soda is known for its exfoliating properties. It helps remove dead skin cells and can brighten the skin. Add water to form a paste. Water acts as a base to create a paste that's easy to apply. Now squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. Lemon juice rich is in vitamin C and citric acid. It's a natural bleaching agent that can help fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Comment the country in which this video found you. Thank you. Continue to mix well until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the paste gently to the dark areas of your skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Remember, while this treatment can be beneficial, it's important to do a patch test first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively. Also, avoid using this treatment on sensitive areas or if you have open cuts or wounds. If you need more simple remedies, drop a "Yes, I need more." Thank you very much.